what brought you into the office?
Well, I was coming for, I thought plantar fasciitis, but then I got a newsletter from the office, and it was talking about neuropathy, and I thought, this sounds more like the problems I'm having, because I wasn't able to sit for a period of time without my legs going to sleep. My feet were always numb, and and they would tingle and burn, but yet they'd be cold. And so I just came on in and asked did the evaluation, and I've had 20 treatments, and it's feeling a lot better, and I still have some work to do, but I'm happy with how it's going.
Great.